Hi, this is Ru from Ether. We're now in Shenzhen Coolmay Technology Co. Let's go and see it. This is their product showroom. Coolmay started in 2006, and it is a manufacturer focused on research and development. Produce and sell integrated HMI PLC, HMI PLC, Servo PLC. Coolmay offer OEM and ODM services. All of the products comply with the international quality standard and are greatly appreciated by customers from all over the world. After 16 years development, there are more than 3,000 square meter factory and 1,000 square meter office. 30 products engineers in the R&D team, 7 skilled trade salespersons in our sales team. As a result of our high-quality products and outstanding customer service, the products are exported to more than 100 countries, including Russia, UK, Spain, Germany, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Thailand, Singapore, Japan, India, South Africa, etc. The best seller of Coolmay Technology Company is this QM3G HMI PLC all-in-one. This one is 7-inch and they got 4 sizes for you to choose. It integrated digital input and output, high-speed count and pause, analog input and analog output, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, which HMI greatly reduce customers' installation costs. Its plug-and-play feature makes it easy for after-sales maintenance.
This is one PLC with a built-in servo drive. We developed it in 2022. This one is an integrated PLC with I/O, analog, Ethernet, communication ports. It can add extension modules. We also supply photoelectric sensors. All of the products are applied to different industries, such as crew machines, AGV workstations, filling, cutting, packaging, egg incubator machines, etc.
Now we arrived at the factory of Coolmay Technology Company. This is their production line. All the workers, they are skilled and experienced. Now let's have a look of the whole procedures of production. This is the warehouse. This is where they put the products. We will provide the best service for our customer. Looking forward to cooperating with you. Contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.